Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this USB power adapter for the iPod Touch, or any iPod for that matter, and this Griffin iClear case. Alright, so let's get started with the power adapter. So by pulling this tape thing off. And it just comes right out. There we go. So, there it is. This is the newer, smaller version. It's a lot smaller, actually. Let's see what else is inside. There is another wire. I actually have one that came in with the iPod Touch, so I probably won't be needing this, but it's good to have an extra anyway. And then there is the little user guide manual thing, and that's pretty much it for that. Let's move on to the Griffin iClear case for the iPod Touch. I'm gonna have to rip the seal, alright? Just pull it right out. Alright, this one, just take that right off. The reason I got this one was mainly because it has the belt clip, and I need that for like jogging, cutting grass, that sort of thing, because I do that. And it's pretty nice. It's just plastic. Let's see how it fits inside, how the iPod Touch fits inside of it. Falls right in. Alright, fits nicely. I haven't done anything to the iPod Touch yet, so that's just why it looks like that. That spins. Alright, let's see what else is inside the package. There's this little armband. I'll probably never use this, but it's kind of nice to have anyway. And there's just user manual, that type of stuff. There's this little screen protector thing that they all come with. I didn't put that on yet, but I will do that. And there's a screen cleaning cloth thing. Nice of them to add that too. And then just the user guides and that sort of thing. So I hope you all like this, and remember to subscribe, comment, and rate, and do all that sort of thing. And stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.